Hi, welcome back to Jana Eats. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, which is gluten and dairy free. And I have a little dot on there. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz, and interact with me. It really helps me out and lets me put these videos out every week. And just remember, this is food for all. It might be missing gluten and dairy, but most people will never know the difference. So with that said, I made some mayonnaise, aioli, with the water from a garbanzo bean can. And I had the garbanzo beans left over, so I thought, why not show you? I have this in the refrigerator all the time. It's the most delicious snack. All you do is you take your garbanzo beans, you drain them. You're going to take balsamic vinegar. Any kind will do. I just happen to have fig balsamic. I don't have any plain. I used it all. So you're just going to drizzle this over the garbanzo beans. Then you're going to take some sea salt. And I like salt. It's good for you. It's got minerals. And this is probably about a teaspoon. I just sprinkle it over the garbanzo beans, mix it, mix, 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 taste. Hug yourself. Why? Because you just made a delicious, nutritious, perfect snack or side dish. I'm telling you, it is divine. Don't talk with your mouth full. Whoops, just did. Come back next week. Visit me. You won't regret it. Jana Eats. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.